COVID results, what we need to know now. COVID-19 has caused a lot of disruptions in everyone's life. COVID-19 has had far-reaching consequences, resulting in the loss of jobs and financial insecurity for many people. The results of this virus have been wide-ranging and life-altering, and understanding these effects can help us better prepare for the challenges ahead. In this video, we will explore what we need to know about COVID results now. COVID testing, types and availability. When it comes to understanding COVID results, knowing the type of test and its availability are important factors. Two major types of tests for COVID-19 include antigen and PCR tests. Antigen tests detect virus proteins in a sample taken from the nose or throat, whereas PCR tests look for genetic material from the virus in a sample taken from the nose or throat. The availability of these two types of testing may vary depending on where you live. In some places, antigen testing is widely available while others only have access to PCR testing. Depending on which type is available, it can be beneficial to know each one's advantages and disadvantages when considering your options for COVID testing. COVID positive results, symptoms and treatment. The positive results of COVID-19 are still not well understood. However, the most common symptom is fever and dry cough, while some people may experience fatigue, aches and pains, sore throat, runny nose, or diarrhea. It is important to remember that anyone can be infected with COVID-19 regardless of age or pre-existing conditions. Treatment for COVID-19 depends on the severity of the infection. Generally speaking, mild cases can be managed at home with rest and hydration, while more severe cases should be monitored by a doctor and treated in a hospital setting if needed. Antiviral medications such as remdesivir have been used to treat some severe cases, but it is still unclear what the long-term effects of these treatments may be. COVID negative results, limitations and assumptions. When it comes to the results of COVID-19, we need to be aware of both negative results and limitations and assumptions. Negative results are outcomes that are not successful or desirable and can indicate the failure of a study or experiment. It is important to pay close attention to these negative results as they can help guide decision-making regarding potential treatments and other strategies related to COVID-19. COVID impact on society, healthcare, education, economy. This virus has changed the way people interact, shifted the ways in which we communicate and challenged us to rethink everything from healthcare to education and economy. In terms of healthcare, COVID-19 has exposed flaws in our system and forced us to quickly develop new treatments and protocols. Additionally, medical experts are conducting research on how best to manage this deadly virus so that we can better contain it moving forward. When it comes to education, the pandemic has resulted in widespread school closures throughout the world and a massive switch to online learning platforms. COVID resources, government support and guidelines. Governments have been providing financial aid, such as direct payments, loan programs and tax relief measures, in addition to health services and guidelines on social distancing. These often include information on job opportunities, access to healthcare services or mental health support. It is important that individuals stay informed about government guidelines and new policies which are introduced regularly in order to navigate through this difficult time accurately and safely. COVID-19, seek professional advice. We've all had to deal with the effects of COVID-19 in some way or another, so it's important to educate ourselves on the current information about COVID-19 results. While we may have felt overwhelmed at times, knowing what to do next can be less intimidating when armed with reliable knowledge about the latest developments in COVID-19 testing. It is essential that individuals seek professional advice from medical experts if they are uncertain about any aspect of their testing and any questions related to obtaining accurate test results. Medical professionals will be able to provide guidance on how best to proceed and address any concerns that may arise regarding the accuracy of tests and their implications.